Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today. Request more information and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, remote engine start, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.